Okay, so this is a video about a little thing I've stumbled across about making animations in Foundry VTT, but using a combination of ChatGPT's new edit feature where you can zone in on an image that it's created for you and just change a certain element, and also then using Monk's active tile triggers within Foundry VTT to then make a simple animation. And what I've found is it's made a great little trap for me, and I'm sure there's lots of other ways we can utilize this, but I just wanted to share this, get people's ideas going. Put down in the comment how you used it. This was my first attempt. I just kind of stumbled across this idea really, and thought, yeah, I'll share it, see what the community can come up with. So I'll just demonstrate it. So my characters, they've moved forwards and they've triggered my trap. Now on the GM screen, I just simply click a Monk's active trigger tile, and the door slams shut. You can see how I've got a nice animation of the door excuse me, shutting. Next, the skylight shut. Boom, just like that. And then finally, the gas cloud triggers. So I'm going to show you how I went about doing that. So let me cut back to the GM screen. So this is what I can see, and here are my active tile triggers. You could have any tile you want, but I've just simply set them up as one click to then, so this one turns the gas on and off. You won't see it on the GM screen actually. Let's go back to the player view. I'm clicking that button and it's turning on and off. Let's go back to the GM screen. You should be able to see this through the cloud, but this one shuts the door, another click, shuts the skylights, and then another click opens them again. So maybe that's when the players have solved the puzzle. Okay, ChatGPT, what you can see is I asked it to create this image for me, and what you can do in ChatGPT now is click on the image and edit it. Obviously you need a paid version of GPT for this, but maybe there are other AIs that make images and they'll do this for free. I don't know, but this I think is restricted to the paid version. But in my opinion it's well worth it for the hobby. You click on this and then you just, well, you can reduce the size of the brush, and then start showing it what you want to edit in the scene. So I told it that I want to add a door, and let's just come out of here because I've already previously done this, and this is what it created for me. It filled in the door. So then I saved that image, saved the original, saved that image. Let's go back. It took me a few attempts to get it to understand what I wanted to happen with the skylights. You can see that it went through various versions until I was happy with this one. So I saved that. So then let's go back to Foundry. So all I did was, if I remember rightly, let's just move this tile out of the way. I think if I double click on this, go to triggers, and then images, and there you can see I've got all three of those images stacked up here. So the first one, door open, second one, door closed, third one, skylights closed. And then let me pop this tile back in place. So this one, just double click on this. The triggers are a single click, so I can just click on that, and what does it do? Well, here's the actions. Switch tile image, and I told it which tile. You do that by simply just, if I remember rightly, yeah, that target there, and click on the trigger, the tile that you need. I've added this nice little fade so it doesn't just suddenly slam shut. There's a bit of a graduation, and yeah, and it cycles through those tiles. So I'll take you back to the player view. So again, turn that off. Players walk in, they make the mistake of triggering the trap, the door slams shut, the skylight slams shut, and the gas cloud. And then they run around, panicking, what do we do? What do we do? And they somehow solve it. I can then turn the gas off, open the door and skylights. Simple as that. But yeah, love to hear from you. Put in the comments, how are you going to utilise this? What clever ideas have you come up with? Or what could I have done differently? Is there another solution out there?